Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn about subject and predicate. A complete simple sentence has a subject and a predicate. All the words in a subject form the complete subject and all the words in a predicate form the complete predicate. For example, you and I are learning about sentences. Here, you and I form the complete subject and are learning about sentences form the complete predicate. The subject in a sentence names whom or what the sentence is about. The complete subject has noun, pronoun, noun phrase. For example, Nikki plays football. Here, Nikki noun is subject. We are going out for dinner. Here, we pronoun is subject. My mother's name is Anupama. Here, my mother's name noun phrase subject. The subject does something or is or has something. For example, Nikki reads detective stories. A sentence may also have an object. The object of a sentence comes after the verb in the predicate. For example, Meghna washed her car. In a sentence, the subject is a person or a thing that does the action. In the same sentence, the object is a person or a thing that receives the action of the subject. For example, Radha feeds the baby. The object answers the question what or whom. For example, the boys played well and won the trophy. Here, trophy is an answer to the question what and thus is trophy of this question. The predicate is the part of a sentence that tells what is said of the subject. The complete predicate includes a verb, verb phrase, plus all the words after the verb. For example, Ram is the tailor is stitching my dress for the fancy dress competition. Here, stitching is the verb phrase and all the words that follow the verb phrase along with it form the complete predicate. A complete subject has a simple subject and a complete predicate has a complete predicate. The simple subject is the main noun or pronoun in the complete subject form. Example, the ticket checker checked the tickets. Here, the noun ticket checker is simple subject. The complete predicate begins with a verb and tells what the subject does, has or is. The simple predicate is the verb in the complete predicate. For example, we will traveling together. Here, the verb will be traveling is simple predicate. A simple subject and a simple predicate can be more than one word. For example, Rajdhani Express was running. Here, Rajdhani Express is the main noun and forms from simple subject and was running is the verb forming the simple predicate. Keep remember that a complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject is the naming part and predicate is the telling part. For example, Ahmad played football. Ahmad is the subject here because this sentence is all about Ahmad. The ball rolled down the hill. What's the predicate? Roll down the hill is the predicate because it tells what the ball did. Remember, we need both the subject and the predicate to make a complete sentence. I hope you must have understood the chapter. Learn and write all the exercise in your notebook. Allah Hafiz.